Good morning, everyone. Matt Stranix here, wishing you all a wonderful Wednesday. Welcome to 5 Minute Finance, brought to you by SFS Wealth Management. Today, Luke Chapman and I will be diving behind what that coffee shop coffee may really be costing you. Welcome back, Luke.
Thanks, Matt. Happy to be back.
Luke, seeing that you were an economics major at the University of Delaware, I'm sure your head starts buzzing when I bring up opportunity cost.
Of course it does. Opportunity cost is the value of the next best alternative use of a resource. Boring definition aside, today we're going to take a look at hidden opportunity cost when making discretionary spending decisions like buying a gourmet or coffee shop coffee.
All right, I'm stopping you right there. Let me lay out some ground rules. I drink coffee every morning. I cannot start my day without it. So do not go telling me that I need to sacrifice my coffee for my financial goals.
That's fair, Matt. We all have this thing in our routine or our cash flow spending. And so that's not our agenda. And obviously, this isn't taking into account the opportunity of you meeting your future spouse in some movie quality coffee shop bump it. Instead, I'm going to walk you through an exercise that won't make you give up your morning coffee, but instead, just rethink your coffee purchasing decisions.
All right, lay it on me.
All right, here's our example. You go to a gourmet coffee shop for a large coffee. How much do you usually spend?
$5.
Yeah, we'll round. Thank you. Make numbers easy for me. Sounds right. So is it fair for me to say that over a 30-day, 1-month period, coffee shop coffees will run you $150 a month?
Yeah, that's fair.
Okay. So now how much does 120 count of single-use capsules from a big box retailer cost? Essentially, I think the size that I've seen at these big box retailers.
40 bucks.
Yeah, I think so. So if we split that into kind of monthlies, you're spending about $13.33 per month, $13.33 per month.
Yeah, yes, that makes sense to me.
All right, so we're checking our math on each other again. Great. So the difference of you buying coffee shop coffee for a month is $136.67, if I'm right. By choosing to make the purchase at the coffee shop, you're spending $136.67 more per month than the alternative, which is buying single-use capsules from a big box retailer and making it at home.
All right, fair. I'm following. But I feel like my cash flow allows for that 150 per month. I feel like I have the flexibility in my budget, honestly.
Sounds like you do. And again, we all have these items in our budget or in our lifestyle as far as our expenses for cash flow that we feel are just part of what makes us who we are, and they're not movable. But the exercise is meant to do something different. And I think you're catching on. So what we're trying to do is practicing the mindset of considering opportunity cost. So for our example here, let's imagine your true opportunity cost. Out of all the other things you could do, if you spend $150 every month at the coffee shop for 5 years, you will have spent a total of $9,000 at the coffee shop. Comparatively, let's imagine you still spend $150 every month for 5 years, but instead you bought single-use capsules for $13.33 per month average, and then invested the now remaining $136.67 each month. And again, if we assume a 5% annual rate of return over that 5-year period, you will have spent $800 on single-use capsules and have more than $9,000 investment account balance.
All right, so by choosing scenario 2, I am still getting my coffee, but I'm also building an asset.
That's exactly right. That is how financially successful individuals see opportunity cost. They're not thinking about immediate $100 they're saving by choosing single-use capsules over coffee shop coffees. They're thinking about the tens of thousands of dollars they're investing over the course of a lifetime. The bigger vision, the power of compounding interest. Now, it is important to note that the figures used here are completely hypothetical. The investment return was chosen simply for illustrative purposes, and not all investments will perform as described.
All right, Luke, this has certainly been eye-opening. Thank you again for joining me today. That wraps up this episode of 5 Minute Finance. Tune in for new episodes on the first and third Wednesday of each month. Be sure to like, comment, and share to help spread the financial education. Stay well, everyone.
Bye.